The matter is extremely serious, and our concern is that when the LOP points to something which is an allegation that has been in the public domain for some time and which featured in a book by the respected former IG of Police, Mr. Mushrif, who said that the bullets found in Hemant Karkare's body could not have been fired by the Kalashnikov of Ajmal Kasab and that they could have been fired by a police revolver. It seems to me that this allegation should have been seriously investigated, and it is not too late, because on such an important matter, the nation has every right to know what really happened. Now, as far as the then prosecutor is concerned, who is the candidate against whom the speech was made by the LOP, we already know that he had propagated this completely unjustified myth that the Pakistani terrorist was served biryani in prison. And that is something which shows him in a very poor light. So if indeed he has already revealed his political bias in that moment, then there is every reason to worry whether his political bias may have influenced any other of his stands. We are not coming to a conclusion. We are not saying that the allegation is definitely true. We are saying it should be investigated. Thank you.
We're at the Indian mainland's southernmost tip in Kanyakumari, the confluence of the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. It is from here that we are beginning our big road trip to the heart and the soul of India, Awaaz of Democracy. That's all about traveling thousands of kilometers to look at the food, the fun, the festivity, the flavors of this election, but also, of course, to tell the stories of you the people, of we the people. At Mojo Story, we have always gone to where the story is. It could be the battlefields of Israel and Gaza, it could be the conflict zone of Manipur, or it could be the sorrow and the tragedy of COVID. We think of all of you as members of our community, of our family. So, I'm urging you and requesting you today to help us tell your stories and our stories. So do become a Mojo member, support and power our storytelling, but also get first access to our big interviews, our special ground reports, our town halls, and also have the opportunity to ask our newsmakers questions directly, as well as get published on our platform. Become a Mojo member, click on the link below, and see you soon.